The recipe is called appreciation pie. 1 cup lasagna, 1 cup Dora, 1 cup Ponya, 2 tablespoons gratitude, 1 tablespoon kindness, a heaping tablespoon each of understanding and encouragement, 2 tablespoons of humor, and 1 huge cup of patience, and a dash of smiles. Then you preheat the oven to a warm and grateful temperature. In a large bowl, you mix lasagna, Dora, and Ponya with gratitude. And we slowly fold in the kindness along with your understanding and encouragement, and gently mix in the patience until smooth. We top it off with a dish of smiles to add a little sweetness. And we serve the appreciation pie with a side of heartfelt thanks and a dollop of love. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much.